So I'm here again to show you some of the more unwrapped parts for the LEGO Mindstorm NXT 2.0 set, model number 8547. If you call my earlier video, you could see that I did a basic unboxing and showed you what I got because I needed this set for a programming class I'm taking this semester. So I unwrapped it. I'll show you a little bit more of the parts that I got. A little bit more about the parts I got. If you didn't see it, you can see it last time because they're all in bags. These here are the servo motors. Actually, let me talk about this first. This is the actual computerized portion of the set. It's called the Brick, NXT Brick. It's basically a small ARM computer processor. Has interface buttons so you can interact with it, do some simple programming. It's got a small black and white screen. It's got 4 input connectors and 3 output connectors. Or I don't know if these are input, these are output, these are output, these are input. I'm not sure yet. It's got a USB port, USB-B port, so you can connect it to your laptop. Takes 6 AA batteries, quite a lot. I'm also told that it burns batteries through pretty quickly, so that's a down point to this little device. The parts that connect to through these ports are here. This is the servo motor for the device. You can spin clockwise, counterclockwise. If you've seen videos on YouTube, other videos on YouTube, see what this thing can do. I got a set of 3 of them. I also have 2 collision devices. That's what they're called. That's what everyone else calls them. Basically, when they hit something, they trigger a signal back to the brick computer. So you basically do start, I guess, stop, and hold, I guess. I don't know. It's one of the demonstrations they had on YouTube. Said I got 2 of them. I'm sorry, that's not one of them. This is a color detector. If you can read it, it detects red, green, and blue colors. So one of the examples in the instruction booklet has it sorting colored balls. It uses this device to detect what color those balls are and sort them. So and here's the other collision detector. This is a distance sensor. Kind of looks like Wall-E, I guess, from the Disney movie. So these 2 eyes, I guess you'd call them, sense how far something away is from it. Pretty cool. Here are the wires and USB connector for the brick computer. These wires are basically, I don't know if they are phone modem wires or, I don't think they're LAN wires. They're too small to be LAN wires. They could be a variation of them. That's what I thought they were, but they actually might be phone wires. So I'll investigate that out more at a later date. These are the basic gray, black, light gray, white pieces. A few color pieces in there. Basically rods to build the device. These are more rods and other connectors, small, medium, large connectors for building a robot. This might be the starter set. The start here bag if you saw my last video. things are getting a bit heavy. These are small connectors. Basically, from connecting one rod to another. It's got two. I found two small rubber bands. I don't know if you can see the other one. Let's get this working. You can see the two, and that's two small rubber bands. Here I got more gray pieces, gray, black rods too. A lot more rods in this bag than in the previous bags. Stuff's starting to fall. So make an adjustment. This bag is tires and balls and bigger connectors, some plates too. This bag is more accessories looking pieces, orange tooth looking things. Here are the tire tracks to make tires. Let's see, I think that's it. This is the ball bag again. I have them all nice and neat in here now, making a mess of it. Get this back in. I also have a battery charger and rechargeable batteries to get this thing moving. Try to save some money on batteries because these things are pretty darn expensive. Alright, so that's the LEGO NXT 2.0 robot kit. Thanks for watching.